Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I am the sales manager at Fuse HVAC, and we're happy to announce that we're officially Tesla Authorized EV charger installers. It's important to have a good, proper company to do the installation of your EV charger. You might think it's as simple as connecting some wires, some people can tell you, but it also can be very dangerous. It can take less than a day most of the time to do the full installation. Besides Tesla, we can also do the installation for any other cars like the Audi, BMWs, Mercedes, or any other vehicles that you have. So we have two beautiful Teslas here that we charge every day. We can install the chargers inside the garage. We can install them outside. We can install two chargers if you have two vehicles based on your electric panel. In case your electric panel is not capable or good enough, we can always upgrade it. We have very good prices for all of the equipment, installations, and panel upgrades. All work is done with the local city code, everything with a permit, so there is no way something can go wrong, because all the electricians we have are authorized, certified, with a license, properly insured, without any surprises. If you haven't purchased an electric vehicle yet, now it could be a good time to do that because of the gas prices. And also, if you're not sure about if your house can support a car charger, we can do a quick assessment and take a look at what's going on. We can look at your electric panel and see all the possible installations and give you a price code how to do that. Most of the electric vehicles, they come with the car chargers. Those can be 110 volts that you can plug into regular outlet, but it might take you about 3-4 days to charge car fully. Or we can install one of ours level 2, they call level 2 chargers, and it would usually take about 6-8 hours to fully charge your vehicle. Usually you can put it overnight from like 11 p.m. until morning, when the rate is less expensive to do the car charging. If you want to go even further, you can also install the solar panels. And since we're a fully licensed electric company, we also do solar panel installation as well. So we can give you a quote for that as well. So we can completely electrify everything that's in your house. So you can cut on your CO2, go green, spend less money, own the electricity. Please contact us and we'll send you the estimates and schedule virtual estimates as well. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel so you can watch more videos like this and get more knowledgeable information about what's going on today in the electrical HVAC world and all other interesting things.